I'm going to show you how you can use One4All gift cards on Amazon. So the way One4All gift cards work is that they're kind of like a credit card that you can scratch off, right? So it's like a coupon. Now, when you buy the One4All gift card, you can scratch off the CVV part right there. Now, once you scratch off the CVV part, by then it'll start acting like a credit card, right? There's gonna be a number, there's gonna be a CVV, and there's gonna be a valid through date, right? So that's basically the expiry date on a real credit card. Now, once you have those details, now you just have to go to Amazon. Now, for example, I want to go to Amazon. I want to buy an Apple iPhone 13 Pro here. Now, I want to buy this. I want to tap on Add to Cart. Now, once I want to add to our cart, go to Proceed to Checkout. Now, on Proceed to Checkout, let's just wait for it to load here. Now, on here, you have to go to a couple of things here, right? So the way we can use this is that we have to tap on Add Credit or Debit Card here. Now, let's just wait for it to do it. Now, you can see Visa. Right, so you have to add a card number. So earlier we got the card number, the name on the card, just use your own name. The expiration date was the valid through earlier date, and then the CVV is the one that you just scratched off earlier, and then just tap add your card, and then that's it. You're done.